Okay, so the first stage, I've got 4 stages to do altogether for this new design, and there's the hub that my bearings go into. Now, I've actually made, not this particular one, but I've actually upgraded the design for the one I print next time, where it's got a runner, well, it's got a runner inside here, where I can put my trigger coils actually inside on this hub where the bearings are attached, and I'll be able to adjust my trigger coils for the timing, and or I can just set the trigger coils at a certain position inside, and I can just move my generator coils, because they slide around the circumference, so I can move the coils around while the timing stays stationary to adjust the output so that it's in perfect sync, so at the timing. And I've got this little lip around the edge that holds the bobbins in place. So I mean, this is a bit loose at the moment, but it won't be when I get the other side of this done, because I've basically got to print two of these things, and I'll stick them back to back so it gets a bit stiffer. But the whole point is, it's a lot easier to get this thing out, because if I lift it normally, the whole thing's together. Look, if I lift it up, it's all in one piece, but if I push them apart like that, which is the idea, I'll be able to pull my coils out, yeah, like that. So, but it won't do that when there's a whole bunch of coils running all the way along, because the other coils will stop it from working. So the way to do that is to start on the end one, and you take the end ones out, and then you can populate the rest of them and put them in. So the whole shuttle assembly that holds the coil and the concentric on there. So yeah, so that's the idea of the new design, and that's where the rotor drum goes inside. So the actual shield is no longer just the shield, it forms part of the chassis now. So I'm having to use acetone to really bind the fibres and make it really strong, so that it doesn't come apart on me. And I've been soaking one in the acetone for about an hour, and it's about due to come out now. So I've got 2 drums now. So that's the reason that timer just went off, is because it's due to come out. So I'm going to take it out of here, let it dry out, probably a few days, and so I'm just stuck to a hard disk platter. So I'm just going to seal this up to stop the gas coming out. Ugh, the acetone vapor it's horrible, stinks. Right, so there's my other liner drum. I've upgraded them to have a little lip on there so that they can fit together like Lego pieces, so that this piece will mate up against the other female version on this side. But this one's the standard, it doesn't have the lip. It doesn't matter, because these will fit in anyway. Get it off the disc. Oh, it's a bit gooey underneath. Yeah, that end, the back end wants drying more. This top end, it's soon dry though. So that's what they come out like when they've just been in the acetone. That are really nice and shiny, and it'll be really strong when that dries. And then I'll just stick the next one on the end, and once I've put this other plate on there, and then the next one will go on, and so on, and together, you see, and this end plate will come out, and the whole drum assembly will just slide straight out. So, but the rest of the chassis, once it's assembled, will be permanently stuck together to make it really strong. So the only parts that are going to be able to be removed is the actual end plate, which you can see the inside of it there, where there's little tracks where I can actually have some coils for the timing. They're going to be tiny little coils, they're not going to be big. Don't need really big coils really, but I thought I'd give you a little update on that. So I've just got to let this thing dry for a couple of days. It'll be drying up by tomorrow, but Yeah, I'm getting errors with YouTube saying health is bad. So anyway, I'm going to disappear. That's it. Or it was just a short update on the situation and how we're going. Anyway, thanks for watching.